Grain is one of the most important components in human life. It is obtained by cultivating plants, the main food product of humans and animals, as well as raw materials for various industries. Cereal crops are grown on all continents of our planet. Over 100 million tons of grain crops are harvested annually in Russia, and over 2.5 billion tons worldwide. A caring attitude with careful grain production is one of the first tasks in agriculture. To date, the permissible average level of losses and grain cracking is about 2%. Let's calculate. With an average wheat yield in Russia of 2.6 tons per hectare, approximately, 2% of grain per harvester will make up only 52 kilograms per hectare. Doesn't seem like much, but with the total amount of grain harvested in Russia per year, we have 2 million tons of losses per 100 million tons. With an average yield, losses amount to about 770,000 hectares. This is an area of over 1 million football fields. In Rostselmash, we are working on this issue every day, and we have significantly improved the system of careful harvesting and achieved new results. Recent tests show that TORUM loses just 1.3% of the grain, while the amount of crushed grain has been reduced down to 0.3%. This is in addition to an improvement by 50% performance and harvesting speed. By increasing the throughput of grain and headed groups, as well as ensuring threshing of on crops, the performance in corn harvesting with a yield from 125 centiners per hectare and up to 4.0 meters in height has been increased. The time for grain tank unloading has decreased due to an increase in unload rate. The labor intensity of retrofitting for corn harvesting has been reduced due to the application of a conveyor version of the feeder house and variator. HST power has been increased, allowing TORUM 770 with a full tank to climb uphill even in second gear. We have also developed an all-wheel drive vehicle for difficult operation conditions, and if necessary, half tracks can be mounted on the front axle, reducing the specific pressure on the soil due to an increased track area. And finally, the brand new improved two-seat luxury cab. A better climate control system provides intensive air intake and exhaust, as well as its effective circulation throughout the cabin. The brand new TORUM carefully harvests grain, takes care of the driver, and makes its work even more efficient and faster. Rostselmash is professional agricultural machinery.